Honor just released one of its latest foldables, the Honor Magic V3 here in Malaysia. It comes with the 7.92 120Hz LTPO Full HD Plus main display and a 6.43 inches 120Hz Full HD Plus OLED cover display. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, paired with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. As for the camera, it features a triple rear camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel main shooter, a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera, and a 40 megapixel ultra wide lens. Both displays each get a 20 megapixel selfie shooter as well. And it is also rated with IPX8, water resistant. For the thickness will be, when it's unfolded, is 4.4 millimeters, folded is 9.3 millimeters. It's super thin and it weighs at 230 grams, super light. So the price for the Honor Magic V3 is 6,999 ringgit, 12GB RAMs plus 512GB storage.